0.5 to two decimal number are added together using the same techniques. Let's go! Alright, let's start by adding 0.25 again and again. We are constantly. So let's go. So when you add 0.25 plus 0.25, we get 0.5. Next, 0.5 added 0.25, we get 0.75. Next, 1.25. Next, add it to come 1.5. 1.75. 2.25. 2.25 plus 0.5 equals 2.5. Next, we repeat again 10 times. Added 0.5 again and again. So let's start. 0.5 plus 0.5 equal 1. 1 plus 0.5 equal 1.5. 1.5 plus 0.5 equal 2. Next, 2.5. 3. 3.5. 4. 4.5 plus 0.5. Our answer is become 5.
Alright, let's start by adding 1 again and again constantly. So when you add it 1 to 1, you get 2. Then 2 to again 1 added, you get 3. Next, 4.
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Next.
Alright, next we are repeat 1.5 are added 10 times. 1.5 plus 1.5 equal 3. 3 plus 1.5 equal 4.5. 4.5 1.5 plus 6. 6 plus 1.5 equal 3.5. 9. 10.5. 12. 13.5. Last 15.
Repeat this process with 2. We added 2 and then add 10 times to create a table of 2. Let's go.
4. 6. 8. 10. 12. 40. 60. 80. 20.
Next,